In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up automatic tax calculation on your Wix dashboard for your online store. Tax calculation can seem like a daunting task, but with Wix, you can configure it quickly and accurately, ensuring that you're charging your customers the correct amount of tax for their region. Let's dive right in and make this as simple and straightforward as possible. Begin by logging into your Wix account and navigating to your dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Store option, which you'll find on the left-hand side of the page. This is where you manage your products, track orders, and of course manage your store settings. Click on Store, and you'll see a drop-down menu with several options relating to your online business operations. Next, you want to head over to Settings within this menu. This area is crucial as it's where you manage all the configurations for your store. From here, find the Taxes section. This is the section where we're going to focus our attention today because it's where you'll set up the automatic tax calculations that are crucial for running your business smoothly. The great thing about Wix is its built-in ability to automate tax calculations, taking much of the manual work off your plate. To activate this feature, look for an option that says Enable Automatic Tax Calculation. By selecting this, you allow Wix to handle the tax rates for you, which can save you time and reduce errors. It uses updated data to ensure your store's tax calculations are compliant with various tax jurisdictions. After enabling automatic tax calculation, the next step is configuring this setting by region. This is an important step because tax rates vary widely from one place to another. Click on the option to Configure by Region, and you'll be guided through a series of options where you can specify the regions you will be selling to. Be sure to take your time here and select all relevant regions where your customers are located. This ensures each purchase made from these areas includes the correct tax rate. Once you've configured your tax settings by region, take a moment to review everything. Make sure you have selected all applicable areas and that the settings align with your business needs. This step is crucial to avoid any discrepancies in billing or customer service issues in the future. Wix makes tax management easy, but it's always good practice to double-check your settings to ensure everything is in order before your store goes live or continues operations. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, your Wix store will be all set up for automatic tax calculation. This means accurate tax rates for your customers and a much simpler life for you. Thanks for joining me today, and happy selling!